Hey, this is Tom, and this is going to be a video about the Tesla delivery numbers for the third quarter of 2021. Now, based on Wall Street consensus, we were expecting to see 223,500 vehicles this quarter. Instead, Tesla blew it out of the water with 241,300 vehicles. 241,300 vehicles in a quarter with chip shortages, supply chain issues, actual COVID. I mean, a lot of stuff went on this quarter, and that's why most auto manufacturers are down. GM just had their worst quarter since 2009, down 33%. Everybody's feeling the pain. Ford is licking their wounds, anticipated 20 to 30 minus. Everybody's basically having a shit time, unless you're Tesla. Tesla just grew 73% year over year with these deliveries. So, was Gordon Johnson right? Is Tesla a busted growth story? I don't think so. And in this video, I want to share a few insights with you, what I learned from these latest delivery numbers. But before we get started, this is going to be a quick little video, probably 3 to 4 minutes long. So don't click nothing, don't smash nothing. I have no courses, no special discounts that are expiring tonight. I have nothing to sell, just your attention. And if you actually want to support the channel, you don't have to, but there's a Patreon you can join, but it's pretty much like a donation. I don't really sell anything there. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to understand that the Tesla numbers, they don't lie. These are statistics. These are hardwired numbers coming out of the factories. So the numbers don't lie, but the haters, they do. Because unlike short sellers, the haters are one notch below on the evolutionary scale. They're like the little juice that's dripping out of your, garbage bag when you're on your way to dump it and just, putting mess all over your floor. These are the haters. I mean, they have no reason, no numbers, no logic. They just emotionally have this Pavlovian conditioning to spit garbage about Tesla. Problem is, it doesn't really fit the numbers. The narrative doesn't really work anymore. We just saw this company grow by 73% in deliveries. I expect to see another 60 to 70% next quarter, and then at least 50 to 60% through the entire next year, and at least 50% all the way through 2025 on an annual basis. I also expect to see the gross margins go up. I mean, the company is getting better, more efficient, more vertically integrated. I think it can go to 30% gross profit, which is really high for an auto manufacturer. And you know what? You're going to be hearing a lot of stories about how Toyota sells gazillions cars, how Tesla's numbers are minuscule, and why Tesla should not be taken seriously. And while I don't have any issues with haters and shorts not buying Tesla or shorting Tesla, no worries, go to town, good luck with that. I do want to explain to you, the intelligent people, what's really going on. Toyota and the rest of the OEMs, they're pretty much like the Motorola. And Tesla is pretty much like the new iPhone that just came out in 2007, 2008. This is the beginning of a new era. And people like to hold on to nostalgia, and they like to hold on to their ego, which is, I think, exactly what's going on with the remaining Tesla haters and Tesla bears. But let them have their fun. And I can almost hear Gordon on CNBC talking about how the competition is coming. Coming where, mother lover? Coming to terms with them losing? I mean, what the hell are you smoking, brother? Look at GM, down 33%. VW down 8%, Nissan 10% down, Ford probably going to be 25 to 35% down this quarter. What the hell are you talking about? Where are they coming? They've been coming for a long time. I mean, it sounds like a bad Ukrainian movie if you see where I'm going with this. I mean, how can you argue with numbers? This is a $35,000 to $60,000 car on average that gives you full self-driving. I know you like to troll and say, well, it's beta. It's full self-driving. It's not full autonomous driving. Chill. It also gives you the best supercharging network, Sentry mode, and it performs like a sports car, like one of those $1 million cars. I mean, it's a 3.5 second car, 4-second car, 4.5 second car at the price of a Toyota Camry. I mean, what the hell are you talking about? There's no competition. I don't think they're coming unless they're coming to basically ask them for forgiveness. I don't know. We are literally talking about a company that has way more ways to make money than any other OEM out there, based on what they're selling now, based on software, based on SaaS income. They're also actually spending way less money to make every single car because they don't have their freaking engine, which is the most expensive part of an ICE vehicle. I mean, this is a company that's improving their margins, scaling up, new gigafactories opening up this quarter, next quarter. It's going to ramp up. I do believe they're going to scratch the million this year, if not next year for sure. But let's see what happens. If you are shorting Tesla, if you don't like the stocks, there's plenty of opportunities for you. Go to town. We honestly don't give a shit. Now, if you are a fan of the channel, thank you so much for staying for this long with me. If you're a Patreon or channel member, thank you so much for allowing me to do this sort of content. It's not easy to do on YouTube because it actually is not that attractive for views and ad revenue. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You allow me to make this happen. I really do appreciate you, every single one of you, every day. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.